Hello guys, I am Sarvanya and in the previous video we learned about the state of Himachal Pradesh and today let's make a journey to the state Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand occupies more than 53,483 square kilometers of India. It is located in the north below Himachal Pradesh and it is the second state of India. Uttarakhand has 13 districts. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun in the winter and Gaisin in the summer. And below over here is the flag of Uttarakhand. So let me explain why Uttarakhand has two capitals. And one more thing, Uttarakhand is the only state with two capitals. And it is a very unique state also. Let's think this is Uttarakhand and this over here is Gaisin and this over here is Dehradun, right? Okay. And when it is winter, the Gaisin is very cold because it is a little bit towards the north, right? So the administration is not possible over there, but Dehradun is like, it is cold in Dehradun but not cold like in Gaisin. Administration is possible in Dehradun, but in the summer Dehradun is hot and Gaisin is like normal. So in the Dehradun the administration is not possible in summer, but in Gaisin it is possible. So Gaisin is the summer capital and Dehradun is the winter capital. Okay. Next, the traditional food of Uttarakhand. Traditional food of Uttarakhand is asa, charu, singal, bal mithai, singri, कंगारा की खीर, आलू के गुठले, खाट का शरवा, ज्योति, गुलगुले, कापा, लाजू, फानू, कातुल, aloo, takri and roti. This is all the meal of Uttarakhand over here. Rice is the staple food of Uttarakhand. The people of Uttarakhand speak the language of Hindi and Garhwali. Fun fact, people in Uttarakhand are called Garhwalis and Kumanis. The traditional dress of Uttarakhand. Traditional dress for men is dhoti kurta, long skirt blouse and ordi is the traditional dress for women. Okay. This is the dress for men, dhoti kurta, blouse, long skirt and orni is the dress for women. Uttarakhand is famous for its wood carvings and big stone temples. See the big stone temples over here. The tourist attraction in Uttarakhand, Jim Corbett National Park is one of the oldest national parks. It was made in 1936. Mussoorie is a town which is famous for its high mountains, beautiful nature and colorful houses and streets. Nantational is a port. A port is the area where ships park. Like there is a parking lot for cars and a port is a parking lot for ships. The ships leave the parking lot and come back again. There is boating over there. Then the cargo routes, etc. Rishikesh is a very famous town in Uttarakhand. Another fun fact, How many fun facts Uttarakhand has? OMG! The rivers Ganga, Yamuna and originate in Uttarakhand. Acha! So the Ganga and Yamuna originate in Uttarakhand. Oh! And do you know the Ganga and Yamuna rivers are the holy rivers for Jain, Hindu and Buddha. Uttarakhand has many high peaks like Nanda Devi, which is 7,816 meter high. See, this is the Nanda Devi peak. It is the fourth highest peak in the world and second highest peak in India. In the world, it comes after Mount Everest, Mount K2, Kanchenjunga, and then finally Nanda Devi, fourth highest mountain and second highest mountain in India after Kanchenjunga. Abhigamin, which is 7,355 meter high. So, the question for the day is, which two rivers originate in Uttarakhand and how much area does Uttarakhand occupy? Okay? So, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like the video, share it and subscribe to our channel. Okay? Till then, let's see the next. Till then, bye-bye.